Hello guys, it is another opportunity for us to be together again, and of course, just like you guys have known, okay, we will be checking out the market for tonight. We will be analyzing together to see what to go for or what the market is throwing at us, so that we will be well guided whenever we are trading. And we have been doing this on daily basis, and it has always been yielding positive results for each and every one of us. Thank you guys for trusting me. Thank you guys for sharing your trading results with me, and of course we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or the strategies shared in my videos. Do your own personal research about it to know. You should practice very well on your demo account so that you will understand how it works before you start using it on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, we will be starting with boom 1000, and of course let's go straight to the chart right away. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator. This is the beauty of the indicator. You can see here is the yellow flag, and of course it signifies that the market is on uptrend at this point. It got to this resistance zone and played around there for a while before giving us a red flag around there, which signifies that the market is on downtrend at this point, and of course gave us a sell signal at this point, and of course that is the only sell signal that has been going since. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It started a downtrend right from this resistance and gave us a red flag, and of course a red arrow at the top right. It gave us an opportunity to come in right from here, and of course so to this region, played around there for a while, gave us two more places to place our sell order, and it so till it got to this region. Okay, right from here it was unable to break out below the support zone. It had a pullback, came down to that same support zone, still unable to break out from there, yet another pullback, and of course it is still selling at the moment to try out the support zone again. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the next support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Crash 1000 had been on downtrend for long, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. It has gotten to the support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, then it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity. But if it's unable to break out below there, it will go back into buying. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be Crash 500. This is Crash 500. Right from here it started a downtrend, and you can see it has been selling since then. Even though it is at the support zone, if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into a buy trend, but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity. Okay, but we should look out for it in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Now let's check out the next asset, which is going to be the last one, and it is called V75. Okay, this is V75. It had been on uptrend for a while, got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it had been playing around there. It tried to go back on downtrend around there, but finds it difficult to break out below the support zone. Okay, and of course it is having a pullback at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, probably after getting to this resistance zone and it's unable to go above that, then it will continue with the sell trend. Okay, and tries to break out below this support zone. This is still buying at the moment, might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out above that highlighted resistance zone, then it will start selling right from there. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities or strategies shared in my videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. If you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.